Tracking the phases of Venus is an engaging observation that demonstrates the motion of planets relative to Earth and the Sun. Here's how you can observe and understand the phases of Venus. Understanding Venus's orbit. Planetary orbit. Venus orbits the Sun closer than Earth, and from our perspective, it exhibits phases similar to our Moon as it moves through its orbit. Inferior planet. Venus is classified as an inferior planet because its orbit is closer to the Sun than Earth's. Observational preparation. Locate Venus. Use astronomy apps or star charts to locate Venus in the sky. It is visible either shortly after sunset, as the evening star, or before sunrise, as the morning star. Clear viewing conditions. Choose nights with clear skies and minimal atmospheric interference for optimal viewing. Phases of Venus. New Venus. At its closest approach to Earth, Venus appears as a thin crescent just after sunset or before sunrise. This phase occurs when Venus is on the opposite side of the Sun from Earth. Waxing crescent. As Venus moves further from the Sun, the crescent becomes thicker, resembling a waxing moon phase. First quarter. Venus reaches a quarter phase, where half of its illuminated side is visible from Earth. Gibbous phase. Venus continues to wax, and more than half of its face becomes visible from Earth. Full Venus. When Venus is directly between Earth and the Sun, it appears fully illuminated, although seen only during daytime due to its proximity to the Sun. Waning gibbous. Venus starts to show less of its illuminated side as it moves away from Earth in its orbit. Last quarter. Venus displays a half-moon phase, similar to Earth's last quarter moon. Waning crescent. Venus appears as a thinning crescent as it approaches its closest point to the Sun from Earth's perspective. Observational tips. Use binoculars or telescope. Magnify your view to observe finer details of Venus's phases, especially during its crescent phases. Record observations. Keep a log or sketchbook to document the changing phases of Venus over time. Note dates, times, and any notable observations. Conclusion. Tracking the phases of Venus provides a first-hand view of how planets undergo periodic changes in illumination as they orbit the Sun. This observation not only demonstrates the principles of planetary motion but also offers a visual connection to the broader dynamics of our solar system. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or a novice stargazer, observing Venus's phases is a rewarding experience that deepens your understanding of celestial mechanics.